nagising kami kasi may narinig kaming putok. Ang lakas. Nanginig pa itong bahay namin. Saan kaya yun?
From down?
Ha?
From down?
Tumuhol pa yung mga aso. Ano kaya yun? Lakas, boom! Gumanon siya kaya nagising ako kasi nanginig yung bahay.
Mommy, we change our clothes or buy food?
Wait, we will see what happened. Ano? We heard something bomb.
Another explosion.
Parang explosion siya dito sa amin. Ewan ko, mama.
Over there?
I don't know. Ayun lang, kagigising lang namin. 9:30 na ngayon lang ako late na nagising na. Nag-usap kami kasi kagabi ng asawa ko until nakatulog kami ng 4:45. Hindi na ako nakapunta sa church. Narinig kaming sabog. You hear that? Dito lang sa amin ba? Open the TV, mama. So we know what happened.
It's here.
It shakes. Nag-shake itong building namin ba? Malapit lang sa amin. Kaya lang late na kami nagising ba? Dahil sa putok nagising ako. Itong pintuan sa salas, nagyanig siya. Kaya na... Yeah? You hear that? Wait, parang ano, alam nyo yung explosion noong 2020, ganun. Nanginig ang bahay. Pero dito lang sa amin ba, malapit. Ano kaya yun? Nag-shower ako. I don't know. I was inside, mama.
I didn't hear the explosion, but I heard the like beep beep the horn.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
You eat first. Bela kain. Bahay namin. Naririnig namin. Naririnig ko kung kasi hindi namin alam kung saan yung pagsabog, guys. Manood muna kami ng TV bago kami gagayak kasi may balak kami pupuntahan kami ng mga bata ba. Mamasyal kami sana dito malapit sa amin kasi may lugar na hindi pa kami napuntahan. Gusto tignan ni Mr. Kaya lang, yun na nga, narinig namin ang aga-aga may narinig kami pagsabog ba. Hindi namin alam kung ano yun. Kain muna tayo, guys, pang breakfast. Ay, hindi pa ako uminom ng warm water. Mag-inom muna ako muna.
I need milk. Okay, milk.
Okay.
Before it happened, I thought.
Right?
The window is there.
Yeah, I'm curious. What is that?
Yes, I closed the window yesterday.
Maybe in Beirut, but malakas daw yung ano.
No.
Here?
Yeah, it's close.
Ay, but we don't know where is the place. May talaga sumabog guys. Hindi namin alam. Nayanig na itong building namin, itong door namin ang lakas. Maybe in Beirut, but it's came here. You remember the explosion last time?
Hmm?
Kaya lang, yung sumabog dito, hindi namin alam kung saan parte. Mamaya, i-open muna namin yung TV. May lakad na kami ngayon eh.
Check it on the phone.
I will check in the news.
What place?
I don't know. Daddy don't know yet this place. Oh, may pupuntahan kami. Kaso, tignan muna namin yung news. Hindi pa kasi napuntahan ni Mr. yun. Gusto niya puntahan namin.
Is it far?
I don't know. Hi guys! Andito si Brother George. Ay, ano naman yan, Brother George?
هي دي بيرة دولة شو زي هي مش ايام بقى هي بعد لحالها عن ساعة اللي بصير لك على شيء شو رايك؟ ولا انا ودي كدو
Hello! How are you?
بس مش هلا
Thank you!
ما ناكل
جبت مستحبين انا عم واحد
Mugu-mugu na naman.
What are these chips? Sour
Wow!
cream onion flavor.
ايش برو؟
Original flavor.
And si Brother George. Wait! Ya Allah! Andyan!
طلع شو هيدي فكرت
No.
حالي كميون
No, Andyan! You're losing
I
weight.
know I'm not eating bread
Ah?
just the bread I'm not drinking Pepsi I'm like this I'm eating chocolate little bit
No, but it shows.
ها بلا خبز كل شيء
لا
يوم اكلت فلافل بلا خبز حطيتها بالدراتور كده على غدا من هيك بينزلوا
La, but it shows. How many months now?
I don't know I'm not because if I go in this one I will broke it
No, how many months?
صور اليوم صور اليوم
لا، باكل بلا خبز
Okay, I will lettuce laki. Lettuce and tabuli.
Melon. Mommy, this is melon.
Ayan. Dito naman si Brother George. Dala na naman ng mga gamit ng mga bata. At saka beer. Mag-inuman yan, dalawa.
Right?
What is this? Melon. Nice. Nagdala siya ng mugu-mugu.
Whatever. We have now a
They like mugu-mugu ba? Mugu-mugu guys. Gusto nila. Ayan, nag-prepare lang ako ng kakainin nila dinner kasi hindi pa kumain si Mr.
Daddy wants water and the water down. What water he means? A water could and a cup. I see 2 cups.
Give them.
Hold on.
Ah.
Bye-bye.
Yan, nag-prepare lang ako. Kasi, andito na siya. So, ipagkain ko sa kanila is yung pizza ko. I-rate ko na lang ba? Ito yung gawa ko na pizza. Yan. I-rate ko na. Nag-prepare pa ako ng tabuli. Ano ko tabuli? ano pa rin ako hahanda. Yan. Magkalahati na ako. And nirate ko na din yung pizza namin. Pizza nila. Init na.
Where is it?
The open in the side door. Where is my clip? I cannot find.
Where's the ketchup? I cannot find. Oh, it's here. Can't touch me. I go jump. You're good on my foot.
Eto, yung hummus guys, sinatawag nilang hummus. Eh, okay. Ito, dinner ng dalawa. Ako hindi ako kakain kasi
You mean hummus?
busog pa ako. And then, lagyan natin ito ng olive oil. Ganyan. So, yung pizza natin. Yung tabuli, siyempre may tabuli sa kanila guys. Ang tabuli, yan, hindi mawawala. Lagyan natin ng oil. Tapos, ano pa yung ilalagay natin? Bulgur. Ito na yung bulgur ko dito. Ito, bulgur. Ano pa yung lalagay natin? So, ano yung salt yung mga dara?
Can't touch me. I go jump.
Ay, dadahan mo sa ate.
No.
Be careful.
Where is it?
Ayan. And then, suma. Suma guys, yan. Suma ito, maasim siya. Spices. Tapos, lemon. Ayun. Hi, thanks God, may kuryente. Honey to what? I pump ate pump, halite. In the other side. In the other side, ano? No need that water, we take shower. Ayan, doon ang tabuli natin. Sardo natin. Mugo-mugo. Sarap na mugo-mugo pala guys. Bindot. Ay, thank God guys. Ano na kami, kumakain ng dalawa. Magkaibigan, pati si Sen. Mamaya, mag-inuman ang mga yan.
اثنين أربعة تعال المحل اسأله.
Sufi.
When we arrived to the one of Manouchi, what did I tell you? Wait 2 minutes and look. When we enter to a place, how it will be full, right? And the customers begin to arrive, but it was bad.
I thought that you are eating.
يعني
بطلوا.
مش طيبة بالمرة المنقوش تبعهم.
No, أبداً. It's a first.
لكن الزعتر بيأثر.
لا, too much oil.
Too much oil. Oil is bad also. Maybe she's putting not olive oil,
مش زيت زيتون.
Eh,
cooking oil.
cooking oil. Anyway. Happy ako kasi patikim natin kay Brother Girls ang pizza. Homemade pizza.
هلا ما بعرف فيهم بس
Yala, pizza, it's
حطيها
here.
على الحافة حبيبي هيك يعني.
You put the patata ate?
وعلى الكيس وعلى يسكر الباب وعلى مش
إيه؟
ما معي مفتاح.
It will fall, ha?
سكينة.
Yala, yeah. Mahan, it will fall.
فول شو؟
هيدا
ما بقول شيء.
Hmm.
راح تجي شخصية.
Ma fi na food if wala na akong ipakain. Yay! Happy ako kasi mabatikman natin si George ng ano. Oh, very oily ang buhok ko ay ang mukha ko. Yan, bigay niya. Para sa mga batang dami niyang binigay.
منيح.
Did you hear the bombing yesterday?
مش بامبي هذا جدار
What then?
الصوت هذا
برضه من بيروت.
Here it's very strong.
I didn't hit
You should see the mountain.
Ah.
الرمانة في some glass bro.
Really?
Oh.
Here, Haida, it's like this.
أكيد. امبارح عم بيعمل
Yung ano, kaninang umaga guys, na ano, dito pala sa amin, airplane, at ay tanungin ko akong bakit, pero sabi sa news, ano daw yun ang kalaban, plane nila, ala, dito na sila sa north guys. Nasa ano daw, ang dami daw nasira na bahay sa Burmana, sabi ni George. What happened, George? Haida, the one we hear.
ما في plane just move. She broke the sound. We call it.
the speed of the sound when they break the speed of
But
the sound.
Haida, it's
Whoa,
not
whoa, whoa,
for the,
it makes-
the enemy.
بلا enemy. We don't have aircraft here.
بس هيدا اللي for enemies
It's not
يعني.
bombardment هن they make their speed more.
انتر يلا.
It makes like this.
لا لا.
يلا
ما بدك تاكل بيتزا؟
طبعا.
You don't want to eat another time? Who will eat all
I
this?
will make you sandwich. Kiyan, patata.
No.
He is
Mati-
full. We are... ayun pala yun, ano. Yan, it's not for the enemy yan. No?
Forget it. It's something normal for us. If we don't hear this, we don't sleep in the night.
No,
That's,
no, tell the truth. What is it?
ما في war.
La, but what is that
I'm telling
bomb?
you.
Aircraft.
Aircraft for who?
Israel.
Broken
Broken the sound.
maybe
The
hide the
sound
signal.
When she broke the sound speed, it make like this.
Oh, okay. All I thought.
Cut off.
The sound has a speed.
Uh,
Speed. If you talk, the sound it has a speed. They fly.
mm.
They add their speed to be over
The sound.
the sound speed.
Mm.
It makes like ambience like this from the air, and they enter it. The moment they enter it, it makes like this behind them. So everywhere they are passing, people they feel it.
Oh.
The air. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
But the one inside,
They did it on
they're
purpose
all
to frighten
die.
the people.
They are die, yani. Of course. Mahe?
Who die? Nobody die.
The one inside of the plane.
No.
Aircraft said
Aircraft, yeah.
Amen.
Okay. Aircraft.
لا
Hi, the one, Shayan, the one for you.
I don't want.
شيء
Hi, the mafi mushroom, mama.
so good. You will eat it all, you.
Tell me my homemade pizza, George.
Your
The
homemade
hummus needed a little bit.
Mala?
Toom.
I did not
هذا
put,
الحمص راه منيح.
أنا بحب مطول شوي.
put the ketchup if you want. So, not good?
better than Pizza Hut.
Really?
يومين بس الصينية كان بعدها خبزتها نص خبزة ما عدنا أكلناها حطيتها بالفريزر شريتها حبة شوي
ما كثير سلسة.
But tell me the truth, don't lie.
لا لا really.
Uh-huh.
If you will see I will eat another. لا لا ما بحب الكاتشب.
Har. You don't like har. How you taste the pizza without the ketchup?
هذا بدي منك شغلة.
Sure.
حر
You want har?
حر أخضر صغير. بس حر الكبير.
هلا بنشوفها
and
بس هي زد يعني
very hard يعني.
معلقة بدها تحط.
No, and all I thought, antik ka bes. Badik? The fresh one?
Fresh.
Okay.
منو معك؟ بس هلا روقي طفي.
لا
حطيتي؟
Masarap daw ang har ko. Saan ko ba nilagay yung har? Kuha ako sa garden ko. Wait lang guys. Ito na yung har ni Mr. George. ni Sir George. Walang kuryente. Har.
على 35
اوكي
بدي اخذه معك
$35
بدي كثير
Okay.
هاو حار
Har.
قال لي 35 وبيعوا ب 40
اوكي
صار لي $5 بالنهار
You want too much yan eh?
ايه
Hala.
بعد شوي
I need to go. I need to go harvest yan eh. Wala ito,
دونت جو
wala ito for eating hala.
مش هيك
Ah.
His mom wants to make a piece. She
Ah.
wants to put هذا حر قدام
Okay, hi
to
dad.
make taste.
Okay, hala I will go take. Well, I thought you like hala. You want hala.
انا بعد شوي
يلا.
هلا بس نروح بس بده يروح بنروح كلنا سوا بنقطع هون
ليك تيجي امي بتقول له لخي زراع منه لا ما بحب الفلافل يا خي شو بدك انت تحبهم انا احبهم
Fle.
ايه
Yay! Pasad. It's past my pizza. To George. He like it.
سير بيس
Yeah.
كيف
No.
بياكل هاو خلص
بدك صوص صحتين
Yani, really good.
تيستي
I make the sauce. The marinara sauce, you know?
my mom also make the
Ah.
sauce at home she don't buy it
Eh.
she bring tomato
100%
she boil it and put inside it
Eh.
jambon وهدول
هيدول my banadura يعني I make it. I harvest now.
طلع كتار بلاش يدبلوا
Finish.
عملهم
وده ما بتعملون اناني صوص لبعدين الطبخ عم تعملون؟
أنا I make it. هيدول sauce.
يوم عملنا حامض الحصن طلع عنا
Ayan tayo.
17
Manguha tayo ng har pala kay George. Kailangan ng mama niya. Kasi gagawa daw siya ng kabis. Kailangan niya lagyan ng har. So bigay natin sa kanya. Akala ko kakainin na niya ngayon. Di pala. Saan na yung scissor ko? Kuha tayo guys doon. Para ibigay natin sa mama niya. Hindi yun naman ata makita. Medyo madilim na siya. Yan. Ito bigay natin sa mama ni George. Gawa daw siya ng pickles. Lagay niya sa jar.
بياخد بيعمل مليون وصفه وكذا بحبوه
Enough?
ماما انت ما في منك ماما I love you too much
I love you too, brother.
ماما you're the best هذا كله حار حار
بالمبدا ايه حر بتطلع وحده اكثر من الثانيه
هيدا another one. هيدا the other one. But all is hard.
عندك الشات بتعرف التاني ما بدك اياه
Wait, I will put in plastic.
ما بيطلع
Sa kusina, gumagawa ako ng Mexican beer. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Mexican beer. Pero, usually, Pilsen beer ata ang ginagamit. Pero, yung iba, Corona beer. Pero, sa kanila, mas gusto nila yung tinatawag nilang almasa. Tapos, i-mix nila ng lemon. So, ito yung tinatawag nilang Mexican beer dito sa Lebanon. Masarap siya. Lemon. And then yung beer. So, wait na ilagay. Lagay natin dito. Yung beer. Open it.
ياخذوا مين كذا انت كمان مين بتخش بوب لا قال له انا باخذ منك 5 سنين 5 سنين وبتجدد لي بعدين توعدي بتجدد انا بنيت بالمحل وما اخذوا كذا
Tara, dito tayo guys mag-chismis.
لو هو عطيك مثلا مبلغ معين تقول له ليك بهذا المبلغ بتجيب هون انا ما بنصحك حط 10 زياده كده هيك بقى.
You turn off?
No, I turned on. It's not. It's still on. I turn it off. Okay. Bye. Oh. Bye. Okay. Now bye.